If you're looking to clean up your website's appearance and give it a more professional touch, removing or editing those default footer credits in WordPress is a fantastic place to start. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove those footer credits from any WordPress theme, whether you want to do it directly through your theme settings or using a plugin, and you won't need to touch a line of code. Let's dive right in, starting with the simplest method, which works great for most classic WordPress themes. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. It might sound obvious, but sometimes we jump ahead and forget that step. Once you're in, hover over Appearance on the left menu and click on Customize. This is your gateway to all the style and content tweaks your theme allows. Inside the customizer, take a leisurely scroll through the options. Look for anything labeled footer, footer builder, copyright, or sometimes just theme options. Different themes might use slightly different names here, but they're all aiming for the same area. Take your time, it's worth exploring these menus even if it takes a couple of clicks to find the right one. If your theme is one of the friendly ones, you'll spot a text box that displays the footer credit, something like proudly powered by WordPress or maybe a theme designer's name. Here's your chance. You can delete that text completely or rewrite it to say whatever you prefer. Maybe you want to add your own copyright statement or the name of your company. Remember, this is often the only branding casual visitors see at the bottom of your site, so make it count. Once you're happy, don't forget to click Publish. It's in the top right corner, and clicking this pushes your update live for everyone to see. If this option wasn't available or your theme hides this behind coding, don't worry, there's a foolproof alternative. Let's look at how to remove footer credits using a plugin, which is especially handy if your theme doesn't provide a direct edit box in the customizer. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins on the left side menu and select Add New. In the search bar, type in Remove Footer Credit. You'll see a few options, but look for the one simply titled Remove Footer Credit. Click Install Now, and once installation finishes, hit Activate. The plugin now adds a new tool for you. Head over to Tools in your left menu and you'll find Remove Footer Credit there. When you open it, you'll see two fields. In the first, you'll need to enter the exact asterisk text or HTML of the credit you want to remove. This might sound a little technical, but you can simply copy it from the front end of your site. Right-click the footer text, copy it, and paste it here. In the second field, you have a choice. Type in your own custom footer message if you'd like, maybe your business name or a short tagline. Or you can leave it blank to remove the credit entirely, leaving your footer nice and clean. Now just click Save and check your site. Your changes should be live instantly, and you didn't have to edit a single line of code. Sometimes changes don't show up immediately because of caching, so feel free to clear your browser cache or check in incognito mode if you don't see your edits right away. And that's all there is to it. Whether you used your theme's built-in options or the handy plugin method, you've just taken an important step toward making your website look that much more polished and unique. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.